Hello, Amazing All-Stars. Today is Monday, March 14th. Let's find out what is on our Number Corner calendar. Wow, we have to take care of our weekend. We had 6:30. Let's see what was on Saturday's card. 7 o'clock. That meant the big hand moved from the 6 all the way up to the 12, which is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes of time has gone by. So that was 7 o'clock. Let's see what we'll have now for Sundays. It moved from 7 to 8. So that big hand went around one whole time, one whole hour, which is equal to 60 minutes, which brings us to today's card. It moved from 8 o'clock on this clock to 8:30. So that big hand moved 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes to the time we see on the clock now, 30 minutes. Let's now go into our days in school. We'll add another day. Which brings us to 116 days that we've been together. We'll change our information here to 116. And then we will add one more cube to show 16 here. Now, All-Stars, we are going to go to our dimes, nickels, and penny collection. As we spin our spinner, let's see if we can do it today. 2 dimes. 2 dimes for a brand new week. What a way to start it. Great job. 2 dimes for the day. Fantastic. All-Stars, I'm going to take you through one more of these. I love these because it does help us practice our math facts. We found a lot of great cards that help us make the number 10. Let's see if we can find another. Well, let's do this. 1 plus 9 equals 10. 1 plus 9 equals 10. And then we can say 10 minus 1 equals 9. 10 minus 1 equals 9. What I'd like to do today is take you to a new activity where you are going to pull out your math book that has blocks on the top and a person made of shapes. As you look on the screen, it's a blocks on the top and a person made of shapes. And you're going to turn that book to page 46. Please take the time to do that now, and we'll go through this activity together. Once you do have page 46 in that book, you are going to actually look at this information. Believe it or not, this is what we call a graph. A graph gives us information. In this case, it is telling us the coins in Sarah's piggy bank. That's what it says. So this is a graph telling us the kinds of coins that Sarah has in her piggy bank. It looks like, and this is what I always do to help me understand graphs, and I want you to try this as well. It looks like in this area, she has 4 coins that are in this column, and these coins are dimes. And she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coins in this area, which are nickels And finally, she has 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 coins in this area that are pennies. So before I even read the questions, I like writing that information down because it helps me understand what I have in front of me. And then I am going to use that information to help me answer the questions. So let's do this together, class. We can do this together. The first question asks us, how many pennies does Sarah have? Wow, wait a minute. We know the answer because we just counted all of the pennies and we found out she has how many pennies? 6. So you can actually take the time now to write the number 6 here. You know that's how many pennies she has. How many nickels does Sarah have? That's the second question. We know that answer too. Here are the nickels, and if we go up, you notice that she has 5 nickels. So we've been able to answer 2 questions just by doing that work before we started. The third question asks, which coin does Sarah have the most of? Which coin has more? Is it the dimes, the nickels, or the pennies? Ooh, if you said pennies, you are correct. Pennies. So I'm going to type that word and make it small enough that it does fit in the space. Now I'm just going to move it to where it belongs. Which coin does Sarah have the fewest of? That means the smallest amount. Fewest is another way of saying the smallest. Is it dimes, nickels, or pennies? If you said dimes, you are correct. Dimes. So again, I'm going to make mine small enough so it fits, but you need to write this information in your book. And I'm going to put the answer here. Finally, it says count all the money in the graph. How much is there in all? Oh my goodness, they want us to count coins. We love counting coins. So we know dimes are 10 cents. 10 cents. Nickels, so let me do this. I'm going to actually put the number 10 here just to remind myself and you how much each dime is worth. Dimes are 10. Nickels are worth 5 cents and pennies are worth 1 cent. So if we count, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71. 71 cents. Wow! When you add all of that money together, 71, and then to put the cent sign, it's a C with a line straight through it. That's how you would write 71 cents. Now, on the bottom, this is where you get to do your own writing and share. It says write down 3 observations, 3 things that you notice about Sarah's coin collection. You can talk about what types of coins she has and what she does not have. You can talk about how many she has. You can talk about what she has the most. You can talk about what she has the least. And you're going to write that information here on the bottom. I hope you've enjoyed your time today. I'll give you time to do that writing on the bottom of the page. Have a great day, All Stars.